box is all the way from Bali. Do you know where Bali is, Charlie?
It's in Indonesia.
You definitely Googled that.
No, it was written on the box.
It was written on the box.
Oh, I know.
It's a province of Indonesia. But apparently Bali is... So what Spain is to the English...
Yeah.
Bali is...
To Australia?
To Australia, yeah. So it's like a holiday destination that is... Well, so I Googled it and apparently it's quite cheap. However, in comparison to the rest of Indonesia, Bali is quite expensive, according to Google. But Ben, amazingly, sent this all the way from Bali, and it's interesting because it goes through Indonesia, then to Singapore. I tracked it. Loads of different destinations just to get to the UK. It is stacked full of stuff. So, you've not seen it yet. You're gonna discover what is from Bali. And we'll do an unboxing today. And then we will do a taste testing later on down the line as well. So, are you ready?
I'm really excited to see what's in here.
Lots of crisps.
Okay, I love crisps.
You ready? Just
all the animals have come to
I'm going to
watch.
chill. Okay, the first one, so they can all see. The chitato. I'm saying that quite posh.
Are they steak?
It's beef edition.
They look like steak.
Well, yeah, the picture is of a steak.
But I love these like ridged crisps. They're so good.
Ridged.
You really like them.
McCoy's do really good.
Or Max Paprika.
I assume they've got. I'm assuming the language is Indonesian. Is that a language?
I think so.
I don't know. Rasa sapi panggang, beef barbecue flavour.
Oh.
See, I like beef barbecue flavour when it's ridge cut. So I'm looking forward to them.
Nice.
They will be good. The next one.
Is it more crisp?
It's more chitato. There we go. What flavour is that?
I can't see the front.
Chicken edition.
Oh, spicy chicken though.
It does look a bit piri style on there. Once again, ridge cut are my favourite, I think. I love ridge cut.
And you like chicken crisps?
I like chicken crisps. I don't often have crisps.
No, but you do like chicken crisps. I have seen you eat them a couple of
Yeah,
times.
I just don't often eat crisps.
No,
but
I love crisps.
I do enjoy them when I have them. I just don't eat crisps very often, but I enjoy them when I actually have them in front of me. Next, hang on. No, these are Catella. I'm not sure if that's Catella. These are. See, I think they're seaweed. Seaweed, I think.
Can you have a look?
You have a gander. I don't. Is that in English?
Temper is. It's seaweed seasoning.
Seaweed seasoning. Is it like the Chinese seaweed, which is just cabbage, or is it actually seaweed?
I'm not sure.
I'm really interested to try these. Like, really interested. Because I don't think I've had anything like that. Or nothing with the sort of seaweed, which I think it is.
They have MSG in.
Oh, good old MSG. I love MSG.
I think...
Good old umami.
They have got seaweed in, so I think they are like a seaweed crisp. But they kind of feel a bit puffed like a rice cake.
Yeah. Yeah, they look a bit...
I'm not sure. Maybe a cross between a crisp and a rice cake?
What do you think? What do you think? They look a bit crackery or puffed.
I'm really intrigued to try them.
I don't think I would have tried anything like that at all. Or it looks a bit like a hash brown.
It doesn't feel like a hash brown.
No, it doesn't feel like a hash brown, but it looks like it.
It does look a bit like one.
Okay, next one. This is another one from Chitato. This is... So it's the different brand, but that is, I think, seaweed as well. And it's a small packet.
Shall I have a look?
It doesn't have an English on, Chaz, I don't think.
Yes, they do.
Oh, does it? Okay. Sorry. My bad.
I think the other ones aren't potatoes. These are potatoes.
Okay, so they're normal crisps,
but
with the seaweed seasoning.
Seaweed seasoning, seaweed powder. They've also got soy sauce powder, which is interesting.
I don't think I've had soy sauce powder. I love soy sauce, but I don't think I've had it in powdered form.
Yeah, I think these are just like a soy sauce. They've got garlic in and seaweed.
So especially these two.
Nori seaweed flavour. It's
There
really
you go,
small
nori
on
seaweed.
the front.
So I think these two are going to be the interesting ones. I don't think we've had anything like before. I'm just hoping they don't taste like anything we've had before. You know how some things, it just tastes like chicken. I don't want it to be that sort of effect. Next up, okay, hang on. I've got, see, you'll like these.
I see coconut.
That is Kalpa, which I think it's a wafer. Yeah, so it's like a normal wafer.
But with coconut, desiccated coconut on the outside.
Yeah, with coconut on the outside, which Charlie will like.
And it looks like it's coconut cream too. Which will be so
Charlie will love that. She loves that with coconut.
I'll keep hold of them. They're for me.
There's a couple of these. There you go.
Oh, they don't look like they've travelled too well.
No, they're fine. It is fine inside. No, the packet is just bigger than I can feel. It's
the
sort of a
packet's
cube.
just quite a lot bigger.
The packet is just a lot bigger than needed.
What is it?
It's a Bang Bang caramel wafer. Let's I'll give them a quick closer look.
It looks like it's almost got like puffed rice on it.
So there's a couple of them. They look interesting. Caramel wafer. I'll take that. I will take that. Next, so we've got quite a lot of coffee. Now, as people know, I'm not really a fan of coffee. There is one I will try. I will
try all of them.
Yeah, you'll drink it, sort of, won't you?
I just have to have caramel syrup in my coffee, and then I can drink it.
Good Day cappuccino.
Cappuccino's not bad. I don't mind a cappuccino.
You can have them. Good Day cappuccino.
Oh, it's got chocolate too.
Yeah, so there's that one.
I'll enjoy those.
I'll tell you the one that I'll try at the end. Rock Salt Caramello. Look at that.
That
Rock
sounds
Salt
nice.
Caramello. See, this is the thing.
I'll try that too.
This is the thing. They sort of... Is it actually coffee, though?
Yeah, it's instant coffee.
It is coffee. By having the extras makes me think that I would like them. And I have tried, like, the caramel type ones. I just don't like it. Caribbean Nut. These are some really interesting varieties, to be fair. And with the extra flavour, you'll probably like them.
I like the sound of that.
There's another Caramello and Caribbean. There's that. Now, I'm going to try this. I will try this because there are two Chocochinos.
Oh, you'll probably like that.
Yeah, it depends how strong the coffee flavour is. That's the big thing, isn't it? If it's not a strong coffee flavour, I won't mind it, maybe. If it's got more chocolate in. So I will try. The rest will be for Charlie, for sure. She can have it. That can be our wake-up call.
my morning coffee.
Okay, next. Hang on.
How much is in that box?
A cha-cha.
Cha-cha?
Cha-cha. Yeah, actually cha-cha.
That's it.
It's M&M's.
Peanut M&M's.
Yeah, it's peanut M&M's. Well, they may be better than peanut M&M's.
They look like peanut M&M's.
Yeah, they look like peanut M&M's, but they may be better, right?
They look nice though.
I don't know. And I love the name, Cha-Cha.
And we like it, M&M's.
Yeah. So, right, I've got a load of bars now. Okay, the first one, they're all Silver Queen. Almonds with milk chocolate. Ooh. Almonds with milk chocolate.
I'm excited for that.
Yeah, very nutty.
I like almonds.
Then, dark chocolate with cashews.
Oh, see, I really like cashews, but I'm not the biggest fan of dark chocolate.
Maybe they complement each other.
Yeah, true.
Maybe they... It's like, isn't it like raspberries or something quite good with dark chocolate, possibly?
Cherries very good.
Cherries? Yeah, like a Morello. Maybe like a Morello cherry's quite good. But
well, cashew might be nice.
We'll be trying it. We'll be trying it. Green tea matcha. That is a funny one, isn't it?
I would like to try like an actual matcha drink.
Really?
To see what it tastes like. I've always wanted to order one at Starbucks.
Have you had any matcha before? We had matcha.
What are the balls?
What are the balls from the Chinese supermarket called?
Mochi?
Mochi. We had a matcha mochi, and it wasn't great. However, this is...
But I didn't like them anyway.
Green tea matcha. I assume it's got some... Is that cashews?
That is cashews.
Is
it chocolate?
No, I think the actual bar is matcha. What the hell is matcha anyway? Is it just a leaf?
Is it a plant?
It's in the tea leaf.
It's carefully selected tea leaves, so yeah.
Okay, and the one I will like, I think I will like, white chocolate with cashews.
That'll be nice.
Yeah, because I love white chocolate. I really love white chocolate. A really interesting mix of things here.
It's so nice because there's nothing we've tried.
Yes.
And there's lots of things that are very different to anything we've ever tried as
honestly, that's what's so cool, is that experiencing different things that we wouldn't have tried before. Like, I think the only thing that is quite similar to what we may have tried is possibly those two things. I think they're the only two things. The cha-cha, which is like a peanut M&M.
Yeah.
And actually, even then, no. So
not.
sort of, but not, because it's the coconut and the coconut cream in the middle. So no, that maybe not. So I think they are the only ones that possibly similar.
We've had something similar.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to try the coffees, actually. Because I'm not the biggest coffee fan. But I like trying different coffees to try and find what coffee I like.
You've drunk coffee if you've been given it, haven't you?
Yeah, so if someone was to make me a coffee or buy me a coffee, I will always drink it. But I wouldn't necessarily make it for myself. But actually, this is a good chance to try some new ones.
A really cool, interesting, different selection from Bali. Who would have thought I would have been sent stuff from Bali? Just amazing. Thank you so much, Ben. That is awesome. Have you tried any of these things? We will be doing a taste testing. Have you tried any of these things? Especially if you're from Australia, which is my main demographic on this channel. You guys apparently go to Bali for holidays. So have you tried any of these things? Please do let me know down in the comments. And we will catch you next time.